You can access the menu to add courses on PeopleSoft from two locations by going to Academics menu, then finding the Enrollment section and clicking on Add Classes, or from the main portal page if you click on Find a Class from the menu on the right. So for this example, let's go through this route: Academics menu, Enrollment, Add Classes. From this menu is where you can begin to search for classes so that you can begin the process of registering into them, adding them to your shopping cart, and then finalizing your course selection. So there's three methods that are here: class search, my requirements, and my planner. Currently my requirements isn't active yet, but class search and my planner are. So for this example, let's go through the class search function. I will bubble in class search and I will click on search. What I will then be taken to is a search menu where I can begin to search for classes by section number, I'm sorry, by subject, by specific course number, and by specific campus. Now, for this example, we're going to set it to East Los Angeles College, but you're more than welcome to use this if you want to look for classes that are available at our sister campuses. So let's click on Select Subject, and then let's use a child development class for this example. Click on C, and you will be taken to a listing of all of the classes and all of the subjects that begin with C in the entire district. Because we're looking for child development, we can find it from this menu right here. Let's click on Select. Now, if you know that you want to register into a specific section of child development, let's say child development 1, you would put in the three-digit section, the three-digit course number. So in this case, it would be 001. You can't just put in 1, that wouldn't work. Or if you wanted to look for child development 3, it would be 003. Or if you wanted to look for child development 2, it would be 002. So let's see. Let's use this example, child development 1. We would then click on search. This will then take us to all of the child development ones that are offered at East Los Angeles College for the fall term. This is going to show you everything. This is going to show you classes that are offered at the main campus. You can see that it's a building and the number. These are going to show you classes that are offered online, and this method will show you classes that are offered at the Southgate Educational Center, as well as classes that are late start. So we have some classes here that start in September and some that start in October. So it's very important that you keep a very careful and watchful eye when it comes to searching for classes. For this example, let's say that I wanted to register into course number 21769. Now, this is a class that meets Monday from 12:10 to 3:20. It is a class that meets the full term, starts in August, ends in December, and it looks like it's open. So the status will tell you whether a class is open, whether a class is closed, or whether a class has a wait list. Now, it's very important that you keep a close eye on that. You will see here that I have another class that I'm registered into, so again, you have to make sure that there's no course conflicts. So let's see, moving forward with this example. I like this class and it works for my schedule. I would click on Select. I'm then taken to another summary menu where I can double check to make sure that the units work for me, the days and times, and this is almost a confirmation of me wanting to add this class to my shopping cart. When I click on Next, I'm taken to this first menu that we started off at. Now this is very important. This is just your shopping cart. This doesn't mean that you've added the class. In order to do that, you need to click on this green button, Enroll in Classes. We click on that, and we're taken to this area where you confirm your classes. It's almost like you're shopping online. You're doing a search for what you want, you're selecting it, adding it to your cart, and then before you finally confirm the registration, you get this one last screen. This is how you enroll in the class. You have to click on this Finish Enrolling button. Click on Submit. And here we go. We see that we have the green check mark. And even though we get a message here, this is just a confirmation saying that we are enrolled in this class. So great. If I want to confirm what I'm enrolled in, then you can click on My Class Schedule. If you want to pay for your classes, you can go here. And if you want to continue adding more classes, you can do it from here as well. So final thing we'll do is let's click on My Class Schedule. And there we go. We can see that I have 2 classes that I've enrolled in, or quite a few. So there we go. Oh, actually, no, this is important. You see that it says dropped. But that child development one that I have is right there, and that's what we wanted to see. Okay?